Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted a question on how to make something written. It's actually a scroll he was trying to write on, but it's the same principle. It's at an angle to make it look right. And there's two ways to do it. One of them's the envelope tool, one of them's perspective tool. And I know that X6 had the perspective, and I think the envelope tool is in every version. So if you do not have the perspective tool that is under the object tool and add perspective, there's perspective, it would be a little bit easier than the envelope tool, but you get the same results. So we'll just back up here till we get this. And if we go to the envelope tool, the only difference is you need to delete these two nodes, hit delete, grab the center two nodes and hit delete, grab the whole thing and right click and turn into a line. And then when you move this, it's just a line and it's not a curve, so it's not going to mess you up. And you can do the same thing. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.